Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So it is that time of year where I change the setup, I guess, of my mini happy planner. So with my transformer planner setup, I only keep 3 months in here at a time because these discs can't hold much more than that. So it's coming to the end of March, so it's time for me to switch things around. And I might actually, I'm gonna bring these out here. Switch to these black medium discs as well, because I mean, how pretty are those? All right, let's get started. So if you guys have missed my transformer planner setup, I'm gonna leave a link right up here for you guys. But basically what I'm gonna do, this planner is made up of 2 planners and a notebook. So what I'm gonna do first of all is take out January through March in the Find Your Happy Dashboard Layout Planner. But I'm gonna keep the cover page and then the year at a glance pages here. So when you're taking pages out of your planner, it's always best to go a month at a time. But now that I'm thinking about it, because I'm transferring over to discs, what I might actually just do is take the cover off of that one, because those are the discs that belong to the Find Your Happy Mini Happy Planner anyway. So let's do this. Start by taking the cover off the discs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will have 4 left. Then placing these on the discs. Oh, I already like it better with the black. And the thing is, putting them on the classic size discs means that I'll probably have more room to add more things to my little transformer planner, but I don't know if I actually want to add more. We'll see. Okay, so then I don't need to transfer that, but I want to transfer this over. And I haven't been able to find any more of these. I bought this at Michael's ages ago, and I don't know where I can find that again. I loved those photo pages. So transferring the cover page and then the year at a glance pages over. I'm gonna keep January through March in here, except for the last week, because I'm still working off of the last week. Need the bookmark, of course. So transfer this over along with the bookmark. And this is one of the things that I love about the Happy Planner, is the ability to make your planner work for you. And that's one of the great things I love about the disc system. So January, February, and March will stay here, and I will grab April, May, and June from my pile over here and place them on the black medium discs. And I normally place pages on like a month at a time, the same way you would take off pages 1 month at a time. It's a lot more manageable that way than trying to, for one, do 1 at a time, which would take forever, or to try do all 3 months at the same time, which it's difficult, it's too thick, you're gonna probably wreck pages doing that. So a month at a time is a nice happy medium. So putting in April, May, and June from the Find Your Happy Mini Planner. And basically the extra pages for the month I've been keeping to the side, but now that I'm not using the particular discs for this planner, I'm going to put these back here. And the cover for the Find Your Happy is over here. So put that on. Okay, so that is the first, oh my god, I love that with the mediumness. So that's the first part of the transformer planner. So I'm going to put the cover like that, and then go to the second part of this planner, which is the, I believe it's the glitter paint one, and this is one that started in July of 2020. Yes, until July of 2020. So this was part of the spring release last year. So I'm going to move the cover over. And the reason that I'm going to put the two covers next to each other like this is because in a transformer planner, when you close it, then it looks like it's just one planner like that. Or if you want to find your happy, there you go. So I'm mixing myself up here. Hold on. Okay. So then I'm going to transfer the pages from the glitter paint planner. So the ones for April, May, and June. So take them off these discs. I know for some people it's a lot, like why don't I just use each individual planner? I prefer having all the stuff that I need all in one place, especially for my mini. I prefer having it all in one planner so I can look at my day-to-day, my social media, and then any notes all in one. And then anything that I don't need, I just keep in a pile or keep them on their original disc. So this glitter paint planner will actually finish at the end of June, and I do already have another mini vertical all ready to go for July. So that is glitter paint. I'm going to transfer the glitter paint pages from in here. Oh, there's too many. See, I'm trying to grab too many and just do that. Glitter paint, transfer them over back to this planner so that once this planner is done, I'll take the cover off of the main transformer planner and put it back. So then once it is all done, then I keep the original planner together, and I have in my closet in my office here all of my old planners. I haven't actually thrown any planners away. What do you guys do once you're done with a planner? Do you keep it? Do you throw it away? I don't know how I would feel about throwing anything away just yet. I'm going to keep that page because I still need that. And there we go. So that is glitter paint in its little pack here. So it's got half used and then half, no, actually all that's left in here is used. You just need April, May, and June. So that is glitter paint. And I'm going to transfer the last week of that into here. There we go. So I have got that. And then the last thing I transfer over is the Stay Wild Happy Notes. I like having a note section as part of my transformer planner because it's nice to keep track of certain things that don't necessarily fall into a specific planner page. So I'll show you guys what I include in here once I get the cover in here. Gosh, I love the medium discs. So in here I keep things like my cleaning schedule, my goals, my orders placed. I don't actually need that one anymore because that one is done. So let's transfer these two because these ones I'm still using. So keep that here. Lucy's YouTube orders placed. So these are more recent orders that I've placed. So keep track of orders, my most recent. Okay, and then I take some note pages as well. So anything that's already been used, I'm just going to keep on that. But these are the Wellness Warrior mini daily pages. And then some notes pages. And then I believe I also have some from Minimalist in here as well. So it's nice to have all of that note paper in here. And then back here are projects, but I haven't done any knitting projects in so long. I haven't touched my knitting in so long, which is actually really sad. But I will move the knitting projects over. And what I also have here is a divider that I made myself, and I do have a video on how to make your own dividers. I'll try and link that below, or actually in the corner here. All right, so this is the remainder of the Find Your Happy Planner. I'm going to put the rest of the pages back in here and then show you this setup once it's done. So here is my finished spring setup in my mini Happy Planner. I like that I've changed it over to the medium discs. It feels bigger just with bigger discs on it, even though it's got the same amount of stuff in it. And then here is basically the Find Your Happy Planner, but the months I'm not using. So this has January through March already used and still has July through to December. December because this is a 2021 planner. And then this is the glitter paint planner. This started in July of last year, so all the pages on here are already used. And then once we get to the end of June, then this planner will be done. So that's off to the side here. So once again, this is the Find Your Happy Mini. And I've got this photo pocket here, my cover page, the year at a glance, and then I still have the last week of March in here. And then we go into, I've got April, May, and June. It's harder to flip on these bigger discs of the dashboard layout. And then the second part of the Transformer planner is the glitter paint planner, so my social media planner. And it still has the last week of March in here because I'm still using this. And then it's got April, May, and June. And then the last part of this planner is the Stay Wild notes cover. And in here I've got my cleaning schedule, my goals, orders placed, because I always like to keep track of my orders, along with some Wellness Warrior daily pages, minimalist daily pages, and a section for dot grid paper, and a section for any knitting projects that I'm doing. And I always like to keep the cover of Find Your Happy, although some days if I feel like it, I can change the cover. And ooh, I like that with the glitter paint cover, or with this as well. The black discs go so well with any of that. So the great thing about the Transformer planner is that you can change the cover and still have everything at your fingertips. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.